Have you ever heard of Heikin-Ashi? No, it's not a dance move or a delicious dish. It's actually a powerful charting tool which is visually very appealing and smooth and helps you take smart decisions in the stock market. Heikin means average or balance in Japanese, while Ashi means bar or candle. It's designed to filter out market noise and provide a clear picture of the price trends. How does it work? Well, instead of using the traditional open, high, low, close for each candlestick, Heikin-Ashi candles are calculated based on the average price values. The benefit of using this tool is that it smoothens out price fluctuations and helps you identify the trend more easily. Heikin-Ashi charts also offer valuable insights into market reversals. You can spot the potential trend changes when the color of the candles switches from a bullish pattern, that is green or white, to a bearish pattern, which is black or red, and vice versa. This can be a useful signal for entry or exit points for your trades.
You can use Heikin-Ashi on the Savashare app with more than 100 other important indicators. Savashare provides reliable data and tools for the stock market, allowing you to make better investments.
Remember, this tool is not a crystal ball that predicts the future, but it can enhance your trading arsenal. It's important to combine it with other technical analysis tools and indicators to make well-informed decisions. So, if you're ready to take your trading game to the next level, give Heikin-Ashi a try. Comment below which technical indicator should we cover next, and don't forget to follow us for more such insightful videos.